Hello, welcome to my channel. Hi, my name is Rachel. In this, I'm going to do an EFT tapping on, like, if you have a story that your specific person is too busy for you, you're not feeling valued. I know this is a common one for a lot of people. I've felt this plenty of times, and this could be for even anyone. This could be for parents, for friends, whatever. Like you're feeling like people are too busy for you. So you can tap away with, getting that out of your body, getting rid of the resistance for that story and putting it. So first part, first let's do some breaths. So let's do a big breath in, big breath out. Do another big breath in, big breath out. First part is tapping through, releasing some resistance. So, side of the hand. Even though my SP says they are too busy and it hurts, I deeply love and accept myself. Even though I feel pushed aside when they say they have other things to do, I honor how I feel and I choose to release this pain now. Even though part of me fears I'm not their priority, I deeply and completely love and accept myself, and I open to a new story where I am treasured and prioritized, showing up for. All right, so inside the eyebrow, this I'm too busy story hurts. Side of the eye, it feels like I'm not important. Under the eye, I release the sting of those words. Under the nose, I let go of feeling rejected and unwanted. On the chin, I choose to stop holding on to this old story. On the collarbone, I release the fear that I'm not enough. Under the arms, I let go of needing their validation. Top of the head, I free myself from this painful echo. Round 2, inside the eyebrow, and we're going to start putting in the new story. The real SP prioritizes me and loves being with me. Side of the eye, they want to see me, spend time with me, and they adore me. Under the eye, in their heart, I am their first choice, their first best. Under the nose, my SP tells me, I love being with you. You're my favorite person to be with. On the chin, they make time for me, no matter how busy life gets. On the collarbone here, our love and connection matter most to them. Under the arm, I am valued, desired, and deeply important. The top of the head, this is the version of my SP I experience now. Now we are gonna do the last round in gratitude. So inside the eyebrow, thank you for this beautiful SP I share with, life with, and that shows up for me. Side of the eye, thank you for their affection, for their attention, and their presence. under the eye. Thank you for being their priority and their joy. Under the nose. I am so grateful for the way they love spending time with me. On the chin. I feel cherished, chosen, and adored. On the collarbone. Thank you that our love and relationship keeps growing closer and stronger each and every day. Under the arm. Thank you that my SP shows me every day how much they value me. On top of the head. I breathe in love. I breathe out gratitude. It is done. It's all done. Big breath out. You can put your hand over your heart and you can say, I am loved. I am chosen. I am a priority. And our love is unshakable. All right. Let's do a couple breaths. Breath in. Breath out. Another breath in. Another breath out. All right, all set. Listen to this again if you need to tap more of that energy out. All right. Hope you have a good day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.